Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs with Subham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for internship or HR job, so you can apply as a entry level, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. So let's go and start the video. This is the page of Wingify Software Private Limited, and they are hiring for intern for generative AI, and it's a part-time job. So let's talking about this job description. So we are looking for a motivated and a creative AI intern to join in the team of the developing AI powered boards in the answer queries of promote financial literacy. The intern will be responsible for creating engaging tool for user understand financial concept and all these things you have to know. And responsibilities that develop AI driven education tool and boards of promote financial literacy, create and personalized financial advice system to using machines learning, integrate AI model with all interactive user interface, conduct research or on financial behavior and user need, collaborate with AI functional expert to ensure accuracy and content, and all these things you have to know. And those who have currently pursuing or recently complete a degree in computer science, finance, data science, AI or related field can apply. A strong understanding of machines learning and natural language processing, proficiency of programming language such as Python, JavaScript or C++, experience with AI development tool and platform, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply for the job, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this more. The next job is coming from IBM, and it's a hiring for process associate. They are hiring for Bangalore location. So let's talking about these roles and responsibilities. So as HR learning, you'll be supporting employee to business need in the delivering outstanding HR service for employee. Responsibilities that you'll be manage end-to-end learning administration task while learning administration, which include not limited to creating, modifying, cancel and course class curriculum, and provide employee service with act or point of contact employee who have a queries regarding learning, support queries related to employee password reset, and to handle good understanding of the internal external policy and regulation and regulations related to human resource, and responding to employee queries. And those who have a minimum 0 to 1 year of experience of learning administration of customer relationship management, business administration or related field will be preferred. Proven experience of Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, MS Word or G Suite, excellent verbal and written communication skill, and all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job, so you have to just click here apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you are looking for this job role, so you can apply for the job. This is a very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही डेली जॉब नोटिफिकेशन अपडेट के लिए. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. I will help you. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.